Ever stumbled upon a website promising to connect you with thousands of verified dropshipping suppliers and found yourself wondering, who's the mastermind behind this? I'm talking about SaleHoo. It's a name that pops up in countless online business discussions, but the person pulling the strings often remains shrouded in a bit of mystery. You're not alone if you've asked yourself, who exactly owns SaleHoo? Let's be honest. In the vast ocean of e-commerce tools and platforms, trust is paramount. You're entrusting your business's sourcing and supplier relationships to a platform, and naturally you want to know who's steering the ship. It's like buying a car. You wouldn't just take the salesperson's word for it. You'd want to know the manufacturer, their reputation, their history. So, why should your online business be any different? Think about it. The world of online retail is a wild west, isn't it? You've got dropshipping gurus promising you riches overnight, endless lists of suppliers, and the constant fear of getting scammed. That's where platforms like SaleHoo step in, promising to cut through the noise and provide a reliable bridge to legitimate suppliers. But the question remains, who's building that bridge? Who's vetting those suppliers? Who's ensuring the platform's integrity? Before we dive into the answer, let's understand why this question matters. It's not just about satisfying curiosity. It's about due diligence. When you're building an online business, you're investing time, money, and effort. You're putting your reputation on the line. Knowing who's behind a platform like SaleHoo allows you to assess their credibility, their experience, and their track record. It helps you make informed decisions, minimizing the risks and maximizing your chances of success. Imagine you're about to invest in a franchise. You wouldn't just blindly sign the contract, would you? You'd research the company, its founders, its history, its financial stability. You'd want to know if they have a solid foundation, if they're committed to their franchisee's success. The same principle applies to online business tools and platforms. You need to know who you're partnering with. Now let's cut to the chase. The owner of SaleHoo is Simon Slade. And it's not just Simon, but a team that has built a robust company, but he is the founder and CEO. Let's delve a bit deeper into his background. Simon Slade is a New Zealand-based entrepreneur with a passion for helping people succeed online. He's not just a figurehead. He's actively involved in the day-to-day operations of SaleHoo and its sister company, Affilorama. He's a seasoned entrepreneur with a wealth of experience in the e-commerce and affiliate marketing space. But it's not just about Simon Slade as an individual. It's about the company he's built. SaleHoo isn't a fly-by-night operation. It's a well-established company with a long history of serving online entrepreneurs. They've been around for over a decade, which in the fast-paced world of online business is a testament to their stability and reliability. What sets Simon and his team apart is their commitment to transparency and integrity. They're not just trying to make a quick buck. They're genuinely invested in helping their members succeed. They've built a reputation for providing accurate information, reliable supplier data, and responsive customer support. And it's not just about providing a directory of suppliers. SaleHoo goes beyond that. They offer training, resources, and a supportive community to help their members navigate the complexities of online business. They understand that starting an online business can be daunting, and they're committed to providing the guidance and support their members need to succeed. Let's talk about the specific benefits of knowing who's behind SaleHoo. First, it provides reassurance. Knowing that the platform is owned and operated by a reputable entrepreneur with a proven track record gives you confidence in the platform's reliability and integrity. Second, it allows you to assess the platform's long-term viability. A company with a strong leadership and a solid foundation is more likely to be around for the long haul, providing ongoing support and updates. Third, it gives you access to a wealth of experience and expertise. Simon Slade and his team have a deep understanding of the e-commerce and dropshipping landscape. They've seen the trends, they've experienced the challenges, and they've developed strategies for success. By partnering with SaleHoo, you're tapping into that wealth of experience and expertise. Fourth, it fosters trust. In the online business world, trust is essential. Knowing who's behind a platform helps build trust and confidence. You know that you're dealing with a legitimate company that's committed to your success. Now, some people might argue that the ownership of a platform doesn't matter. They might say that as long as the platform provides value, the owner's identity is irrelevant. But I disagree. In a world where scams and fraudulent schemes are rampant, knowing who you're dealing with is more important than ever. It's about protecting your business, your reputation, and your investment. And let's not forget the importance of accountability. When you know who's behind a platform, you know who to hold accountable. If something goes wrong, you know who to turn to for support. This level of accountability is crucial for building a sustainable and successful online business. So, to recap, the owner of SaleHoo is Simon Slade, a New Zealand-based entrepreneur with a passion for helping people succeed online. He's built a reputable company with a long history of serving online entrepreneurs. And it's not just about Simon Slade. It's about the team he's assembled, the values they uphold, and the commitment they have to their members' success. But don't just take my word for it. Do your own research. Explore SaleHoo's website, read reviews, and see what other entrepreneurs are saying. You'll find that Simon Slade and his team have built a platform that's trusted and respected by thousands of online business owners worldwide. Think of SaleHoo as more than just a directory of suppliers. It's a community, a resource, and a partner in your online business journey. And knowing who's behind it gives you the confidence and peace of mind you need to succeed. Knowing the owner is important, but remember, any tool is only as good as how you use it. SaleHoo provides a great starting point, but you still need to put in the work. You need to research your niche, identify profitable products, build a strong brand, and provide excellent customer service. No platform can guarantee instant success, but by partnering with a reputable platform like SaleHoo, you're giving yourself a significant advantage. And it's not just about finding suppliers. It's about building a sustainable and scalable business. It's about creating a brand that resonates with your target audience. It's about providing value and exceeding customer expectations. These are the factors that will ultimately determine your success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.